let's go. This is the kickoff presentation for the Mad Forensic Scientist for our lightning talks in 2024. So as you're well aware, this is the Mad Forensic Scientist, and now let's begin. To unleash your inner toxicologist. I know everyone has a little bit of toxicologist in them that wants to come out, wants to know information, wants to gather all the things they can. So that's what we're here for. This channel is all about knowledge of mad forensic science, specifically toxicology, but all forensic science in general. To kick off 2024 schedule, we have a little bit of a Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde concept here, where live presentations will be happening on Twitch at JCoxWVU 2020. During the week, we'll have chess with the Mad Doctor. During my lunch break, I'll be playing with Ottenheimer, and potentially, if you guys want to join in, followers, you want to add me on chess.com, I'll play you guys too. As well as live stream presentations of the Mad Forensic Scientist on Sundays around 3 o'clock Central Time. Offline, we'll have presentations uploaded to YouTube on Wednesdays, Fridays, as well as Sundays. And then pop-up streams during the week where I'll potentially either play some Warzone or maybe some other chess, things of that nature. But focus in on the live presentations will be on our Twitch at JCoxWVU 2020. So be sure to follow us on YouTube. So click that subscribe button. For the upcoming webinars at the Q1 of 2024, we'll begin next weekend with ADME. 2 weeks after that, we'll have forensic entomotoxicology. 2 weeks after that, we'll have chemistry and toxicology. And then forensic entomology. And then finally, DNA from fired cartridge casings. But after that, it depends on you guys. So drop the comments, click in the community page. What is it you guys want to see? So if you're new to the channel, who am I? Who is the Mad Forensic Scientist? I'm a forensic science expert, board-certified toxicologist, a PhD in forensic science, and an expert witness, as well as an NIJ research fellow. It's a little bit of a professional background. I got my Bachelor's of Science at Sam Houston State University in forensic chemistry with a minor in biology and criminal justice. Pursued my master's degree, which I achieved in 2014 in forensic science at SHSU as well. My project was DNA and entomology was my thesis, with a toxicology internship. So I was all over the place for my master's degree, but I went into the field of forensic toxicology. I was a forensic toxicologist, published research and development, and was the lab manager for a forensic toxicology lab. Then I decided to return for my PhD at West Virginia University, where I graduated in 2021 with a PhD in forensic science. Forensic toxicology was my dissertation. I was awarded an NIJ fellowship for my research. And then now I'm here presenting to you guys. But why? Why do I create this channel? I want to spread knowledge and awareness of forensic science and contribute to positive content that's out there. But what this channel is going to provide for you guys is a chance for social media engagement with forensic experts on Instagram, Twitter, Discord, as well as YouTube. It allows these interactions between students, educators, practitioners, and just fans of forensic science. We're doing that with the lightning talks. I'll be having the presentations, as well as over general topics and special interests, as well as shorts. It's going to evolve based on you. So what do you guys want to see is we're going to present. So based off of the input from the viewers, that's what's going to guide us. As well as we have a merch store. So there's merch here. Willing to take input for that as well as time goes by. Here's the website that we have currently for the Mad Forensic Scientist. You can check the link in the comments. But yeah, that's what we have so far. It's a great little community so far. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the support that I've gotten on Instagram specifically, as well as a little bit on Twitter. That is what we're going to be targeting for the lightning talks of 2024.